Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, fuel efficient. Features also include keyless entry, stability control, anti-theft security system, power windows, rear window wiper. You are going to love the 2019 Mirage. The Mirage from Mitsubishi Motors is classified as a subcompact car. The Mirage is a car you want for easy parking, decent cargo space, and surprising mileage, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.